Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, in an isosceles triangle, one of the legs is 2 cm greater than the length of the base. If the perimeter is 28 cm, what is the length of the base? Let x centimeter be the length of equal legs of isosceles triangle and y be the base of triangle. So perimeter of isosceles triangle is given by 2 legs are there, that is 2x plus y. Isosceles triangle is the triangle with 2 sides equal. Here we have given the perimeter is 28 cm, so 2x plus y equals to 28. It is from given. So also we have given that one of the legs is 2 cm greater than the length of the base. So from given we can write this x be 2 cm greater than y. So equation 1 will be 28 equals to 2 into x means y plus 2 plus y, that is 2y plus 4 plus y equals to 28. So 3y equals to 28 minus 4, that is 24. Divide both the sides by 3, we get y equals to 24 by 3, that is 8 centimeters, which is our required length of the base of isosceles triangle. Hence, length of the base of isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter, and from available options we have option A as 8 centimeters.